And what I find fascinating with this whole of this debate, the debate so far, Barney, is about the treatment and reaction to. You know, we should be really, really focused on prevention. We do not want to be here again. And, you know, the playbook for pandemic prevention is actually pretty straightforward. If we imagined it had 10 chapters, the first 7 chapters would be entitled Prevent, 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 Prevent. You know, we have thousands of microorganisms with pandemic potential, and we've got to address the root causes. And the root cause is climate change. We will fix this pandemic, but unless and the clock is ticking on climate change to the point where we're getting beyond the return on that, to tackle climate change, that tackles the deforestation, that brings animals closer to human beings, that leads to as Yvonne said, those zoonotic infections that lead to pandemics. So that level of prevention requires international collaboration. It requires international knowledge sharing. It requires global leadership and a very big dose of global humility so that we can actually learn from each other. And importantly, institutions that drive this. And no doubt we'll come on to WHO later. Governments change. This, you know, after the Second World War, we put in institutions, WHO, NATO, and so on, to ensure that it never happened again. And the debate needs to shift to how do we ensure we're not here in a year's time saying, a same conference saying, why didn't we learn? So it's about the global collaboration, the global cooperation, making sure that we tackle the root cause of pandemics, namely global warming, and making sure that we have strong institutions so that when governments do change, those institutions remain so that we're not sat here in a year's time, 2 years' time, because this is going to happen again unless we tackle root cause and put global institutions in place to ensure that the preventive measures are there.